Amazon sellers, do you wish you could make the same or even more money in the business but actually spend less time on it? There's a really easy way to do this, and I'll give you a website to make this happen. But first, do, document, delegate. That's the 3-step framework to think about with this stuff. When you start a new business activity, you yourself as the founder, owner, operator are doing that thing, whether that's inventory replenishment, new product research, Amazon PPC, listing optimization, whatever it may be, you yourself are doing it. Then you should actually take the next step and make written documentation. Google Docs works just fine, or there's a cool app called Guru, I think it's a Get Guru, where you can document all your SOPs as a company, and then delegate. Finally delegate it to somebody. And a lot of folks think it has to be a full-time, equivalent, a headcount ad. That's pretty expensive though, so what you can do is you can start with contractors from the site Upwork. They'll do a specified task to your specifications as long as you have the documentation in place. For more on how to scale up an Amazon FBA business, read your free 40-page book. I'll drop it in the comments, and I'll see you next time.